Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a quick but essential setup for any Windows user, which is how to set the default video player. In the video, I will explain how to set VLC Media Player as the default video player. While Windows comes with its own built-in player, beginners often run into codec errors or files that simply won't open, and VLC is one of the most important applications because it plays any type of file, and therefore, users want their videos to always open automatically in VLC. I have a video that, when I played it, opened in the media player, but as I mentioned, some users want it to open automatically in VLC instead of playing it manually. To set the default application launcher, or change how Windows handles specific tasks, open Windows Settings, click the Start menu, and select Settings icon. Then, find and click the Apps section. From here, you can manage everything from uninstalling apps to default system behaviors. Then click on Default Apps on the right. Here, you can set the default apps for various activities such as browsing, email, media, and more. Here click on the Music Player and Video Player section, and then select VLC Media Player from the available list. Once you select the app, it will be saved automatically. All you have to do is close the settings page. Now, Windows has set VLC Media Player as the default video player, and when you play any video, VLC will be the default video player. Setting VLC as your default video player is a simple change that makes a big difference in your daily use. It ensures that all your video files, regardless of format, open instantly and play without codec errors or compatibility issues. I hope this helps you get the most out of your media playback. If you found this tip helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.